I've had a few requests for a half up, half down top knot. The style is super cute, but I know it can be a little bit challenging. I hope to show you some tips and tricks that will make your life way easier. First, you want to start with day-old hair. So I washed and curled my hair yesterday. I used EverSmooth because this is a style extender. So I used this when I blow dried my hair. I also used it when I curled it with a flat iron. So I use this because I don't want to curl my hair for the next 5 days. Next off, we want to use dry shampoo. Dry shampoo, of course, absorbs oil. In this tutorial, I need it for volume. So we're gonna use Amika-Perk UP and spray it all throughout your hair. This is just amazing for volume. And if you are blonde, it might help you disguise the regrowth area. For us brunettes, we definitely do not want a smoky look popping through. So you just really massage it in. And the more you massage it, the more the white fades away and we get a ton of volume, as you can see. So we're gonna want to section off the top area. So you'll see where your temples are. Just move up right before your head starts to round and section this away into a ponytail. So I'm going back into my crown area and I'm going to just get this out of the way for the moment and put the rest of it tied back in a scrunchie or clip it away just so that you can focus on what you are working on. Okay, we need to do some back combing. So just take wide sections and we're only going to back comb at the regrowth area. We're going to leave our ends alone. So 1, 2, 3. We back comb the same so we can have a consistent cushion throughout the top. 1, 2, 3. Oh, and I'm going to do 3 sections. Everyone's hair will be different. Some people you might just do 2. Other people you might do 4. It just depends on your own type of hair. We are just trying to get messy hair because in order to create a messy look, we need messy hair. So place it in a ponytail. Now I want my top bun to sit a little bit further back. If you have short hair, you can easily go in and just curl the mohawk top first and then go in and back comb. Now, depending on how long your hair is will determine where the bun actually sits. So I have medium length hair, so mine's gonna sit back here. If you have shorter length hair, it's gonna sit closer to the front because you need to have enough hair to wrap it up so that you don't look like a samurai. Split your tail in half. And now back comb the interior, leaving the end straight. I'm gonna use Touchable Spray Wax by Kevin Murphy just to give it a bit of grip throughout it. And I'm making sure that it is dry before I start winding it up. I'm also just gonna take my fingers and pinch some pieces out just so that it's balanced on top. Now I can only wrap it around once just because of the length of my hair. And I'm gonna stick 2 pins, 2 bobby pins in the front. And I aim to cross them over to make an X. This way they won't move all day. And I do the same just in the back. And I crisscross them yet again. And now we just need to work on our bun. So I'm gonna pinch and pull until I'm happy with the look of it. I'm always making sure I like the balance. And I'm gonna take out my scrunchie and take a random piece from the back and bring this forward. I'm actually gonna just wrap it straight down the middle and twist it. This way I find that the bun actually looks a bit more loopy. And you just pin it in the back. As you can see, I've just really created a lot of height. Now, this look, to make it or break it, I find that it can show like a strong demarcation line, like right in the center of the middle of your head. So you just want to take your fingers and pull on them, pull on that section just to soften that look up, and we can completely make that line disappear. So for some of us, we'll have to do this more. For some of us, maybe we won't have to do this. Bonus. but you just want to make sure that it looks really soft and just like you haven't really done your hair, even though obviously there are a lot of steps to make your hair look like you have done something. Next, we are going to take just a small section with your hair being straight down, and I'm going to back comb it just nice and close to the roots. And this just gives you a little bit more width. You don't need to go crazy, just a touch, because the devil is always in the details. And then you can smooth it out. You can wear this if you have stick straight hair. You might just want to get a texture spray to bring out some body in your hair, or you can wear it if you have flat iron curls, curling iron curls, whatever your look is. But it just creates a really simple look, really pretty, great for the summer, nice to get it out of your face, and perfect for us who are stuck at home and have, well, nowhere to be. Who does these days? But if you're at work, you can have a professional look, or if you're just wanting to feel good about yourself and get out of your pajamas. I know for me, it's once a week. All right, well, thank you so much. If you have any questions, if you have any suggestions of a next tutorial, let me know. And Bloom Hair Studio is open for products, so if you are looking for some Kevin Murphy, we have you covered. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye for now.